Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Huma, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to discuss exercise of the chapter number 11, which is I Have a Dream. Now let's move on to the first question of this exercise, where we are going to discuss MCQs. Choose the correct answer. The first statement is, you have come here out of great trials and tribulations means that you have come here after attending a fair, facing great persecutions and grief, great honor or great travels. And the correct answer is facing great persecutions and grief. Option number B. Second statement is, you have been the veterans of creative suffering means that you have been experienced soldiers of intellectual sufferings, assets of a nation, vanguard of a country, army personnel. And the correct answer is experienced soldiers of intellectual sufferings. Option number A. Third statement is, this nation will live out the true meaning of its creed. Negroes will leave the country, they will come up to the level of others, they will prove their worth, they will remain a minority. And the correct answer is, they will come up to the level of others. The fourth one is, what is the dream? Equality of high and low, rules of the blacks, negation of whites, the practice of brotherhood. And the correct answer is the practice of brotherhood. Fifth statement is, which one is desert state sweltering with the heat of injustice and oppression? And the correct answer is Mississippi. Sixth statement is, what does the governor of Alabama do? Creates interferences, makes interruptions, uses sweet words, or helps the blacks? And the correct answer is option number A. Seventh one is, what will be exalted? Hill, mountain, valley, or river? And the correct answer is valley. Eighth one is, every hill and mountain shall be made low means that all high and low will become equal, hills and mountains will be leveled, there will be no distinction of classes, and the last one is, the low classes will rise up. And the correct answer is, all high and low will become equal. Ninth statement is, the glory of whom shall be revealed? President, governor, lord, windstorm. And the correct answer is option number C, Lord. The last statement is, what is the beautiful symphony of brotherhood? A violin, a guitar, the beautiful song of brotherhood, and the last one is musical composition of brotherhood. And the correct answer is the musical composition of brotherhood. So we are done with the first exercise of this chapter. Now let's move on to the next exercise of true and false. Make the statement true or false. The first statement is, some of you have come from the areas where you lived happily. False. The second statement is, stop working with the faith that unearned suffering is redemptive. False. The third statement is, let us not wallow in the valley of despair. True. The fourth statement is, it is a dream deeply rooted in the American dream. True. Fifth statement is, son of a slave will live with the son of a slave honor. True. Sixth statement is, in future every hill and mountain shall be made low. True. Seventh statement is, a stone of hope is a coal. False. Eighth statement is, my country is a sweet land of liberty. True. Ninth statement is, my country is not a pride of pilgrims. False. And the last statement is, all the people, black and white, are treated equally. False. क्योंकि इकट्ठे उनको एक जैसा ट्रीट नहीं किया जाता था, तभी उसने अपनी स्पीच में बार बार ये रेफर किया कि उसका ड्रीम ये है कि उनको इकट्ठे ट्रीट किया जाए, क्योंकि किया नहीं जा रहा. तो यहाँ हमारी दूसरी एक्सरसाइज खत्म हो जाती है. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस एक्सप्लेनेशन वेरी वेल. थैंक यू.